What is happening, guys? Jack is back, bringing you Halo 3 Mission 5. I think we're on now. I think we're on... Wait, Mission 5? Yeah, Mission 5, Floodgate. Floodgate. Now, it's called Floodgate for a reason, guys. It really, really is. Yeah, there's Arbiter. Right, Arby? Do you remember that thing? Yeah, we took that out. The hell's that? Oh, that's the black hole. Oh, I almost walked off the edge. So, welcome back, guys. Halo 3. There is a skull on here, on this level. Wait, where is it? Where's that skull? There he is. He'll be dropping a skull, which I kind of lost where it went, but he does have a skull, I assure you on that. No. So yeah, it is called Floodgate for a reason. Because an old enemy appears. Here they come. Le Flood! Ah, dude, the Flood. Do you remember the Flood? You know, that Prometheans kind of took their place in Halo 4? Dude, I feel like a zombie killing machine. Oh, why hit me, man? It should be. If it isn't, I'm going to be well pissed. But I have a bit of an announcement, guys. Well, I saved. Oh, okay, maybe not. Oh well, I'm just going to have to kill you, dude. Yeah, I said I've got an announcement to make. I do. Met a fellow YouTuber a couple of months ago, actually. This guy's awesome. You should go check out his videos. I'll post his channel in the description below. But yeah, we're going to be doing a video together. Don't know when yet, because he's currently, you know, unavailable at the moment because of what do you call it? Because, you know, exams, A-level exams. Dude, A-level exams are the worst, dude. So he's got that, so, yeah, maybe he might post the same video on his channel. Never know yet, until we do it. But it's going to be great. It might be in Halo 3, multiplayer, it might be. So, it is going to be awesome. I'm looking forward to it. Hopefully we might be able to make more content in the future. But apart from that, well, there's two announcements now. Apart from that, I am so close to getting a better capture card, and I mean really close. It's just really close that I can't believe how close it is, actually. It's only like a couple of pounds away. But the capture card I'm looking to get is a Roxio HD Pro, which is only 99 quid on Amazon, which is perfect. I'm only like a couple of quid away from it, which is even more awesomer. So, you know, if I might be able to get it like really, oh, excuse me, like really earlier than anticipated, actually. Where am I going? I'm getting lost. Oh, I have to go up there. Ah.
Chief, I can't. It's not safe. The grave line. It knows.
Right. Sorry about that, guys. don't think that did anything. Back up, boy. Wow, laggy. Lag. Lag. Lag.
Sergeant, they were all infected.
Who was infected? Tell me.
I can see it crawling, sliding around beneath their skin. Oh.
Nice. I eased your suffering. Huh. There was... The hell was that? Swap for a regenerator. That's actually worth it. Alright.
Tell humans and take heed. This is the carrier's shadow of intent.
So,
Second, while we deal with the flood.
very excited for the upcoming months ahead. I'm really excited. Tell me if you're excited in the comment section below. Because I know I am. I'd like some feedback on what you think. Like, especially with the Roxio Game Catcher HD Pro thing. That guy's going to die. Yeah, I'm interested to know what your thoughts are about the Roxio HD Pro. If you like the idea of me getting it, so I'll be able to do anything. I'll actually might be able to start up Heavy Rain again. You never know. I might be able to start up Heavy Rain, which would be awesome, because I know a lot of you didn't like the fact that I finished Heavy Rain. Yeah, a lot of you didn't like the fact that I finished it, which I do apologise, but you know, it wasn't you, it was me. You know, so don't worry, guys. Once I get this Roxio HD Pro thing, you'll be able to see Heavy Rain again. I promise you that. You'll be able to see Heavy Rain again. Actually, I tell you what, guys, I can't wait to do the level Cortana on Halo 3. I can't wait to do that. Do you know why? Because that's my favourite mission in the entire campaign. Sarcasm. Major sarcasm. Actually, I'm starting to run out of shotgun ammo. That's not good. It's all well and good that I can find battle rifle ammo, but where's shotgun? Anywho.
Chief, the elites are looking for something. We didn't believe them when they told us.
Just a quick scan of the area.
Get her up!
Ah, fuck. I remember making a run for this part. Oh, hello. It's Man-Thing! Alright, I'm down to my last few clips. Do I make a beeline for it? Yep, I'm going to make a beeline for it.
Hurry, Demon! We seek the same prize. But our shipmaster will sacrifice all to stop the flood.
It'll be great if this will be one video, which I think I actually might be able to cut it in one video, because the amount of times I actually died on my first playthrough of this level was unbelievable. I just hope I'm going the right way. Alright, decided to take the highway instead of the low way. Good. Good to see that I can take any opportunity. Yep. Bright as fuck. Alright, time to swap out for... Wait. No, I thought there was like another shotgun in here, but it wasn't. Ah, great. I don't know if you can see this, because it's quite dark when the Gravemind does his little Cortana-y type deal, but it's really dark and you go as slow as fuck, like you do with the Cortana bits. So yeah, I don't think there's any fighting now. I don't think. There shouldn't be. Oh, fuck off, Gravemind. But yeah, if you have a hammer, for those bits, you know, it'll be worth it. So I think we go to here and retrieve Cortana, apparently. Spoiler alert, it is not Cortana.
Chief,
Cortana.
my charity, the Prophet's holy city, is on
Cortana.
343.
I must act quickly before your construct suffers any further trauma. If we do not take this device to a safe location, somewhere I can make repairs.
On Halo, you tried to kill Cortana. You tried to kill me.
Protocol dictated my response. She had the activation index.
Oh dear, she had the activation index. That means we got to kill her. Fuck you, you lesbian toaster type deal, thingy ma bob, machine me bob. Okay. So there's the level Floodgate. Yep. So that's the level Floodgate. I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, again, leave in the comment section below what you think, what you like. No, wait. Leave a comment in the comment section below saying that if you're excited for the upcoming months ahead, if you're excited to see Heavy Rain make a return, and all that. So leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also follow me on Facebook now, Jack1095 Gaming. Peace out.